Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to adjust time at Casio Tough Solar 5 alarm watch. It's pretty simple. Now let's start. First focus on digital time screen. Like you can see in middle there's a little screen, you can see digital time. You should see time over there. If you don't see time, you see something else, then there is a 4 button on all 4 corners. You should press right hand corner bottom button and it will scroll through all the functions you have and come to the time. Once you see time over here, then right hand corner on the top this button you just press and hold for 30 seconds and you will see ADJ like adjust, and I can see LAX. In your case you can see anything that's our time zone where you're living. If you don't see your time zone, you can just press left hand bottom corner. It will scroll all the country and regions like where you live, and once you see your time zone, and you can just leave it there. As I'm scrolling up and down, like top button is for go back, like a down button, the bottom one is up. So I'm living in Fresno, California, so I believe I should see LAX. Once I see LAX, I will leave it. Then I will press bottom right button. It asking like if I want to leave it the daylight time on or off. You can do on and off. I'm gonna leave on. Then I press one more time. Then hour. You want to see 12 hour or 24 hour. Now I see time and my seconds are flickering. Now our seconds are blinking. That means we are able to change seconds. What will happen here? Left hand 2 buttons work as a up and down buttons. Now we have to bring the blinking thing at the hour. So you press right hand bottom button, then your hour will start blinking. If you want to up, then press left hand bottom button. If you want to bring down, then left hand top button. As you can see, I press top button, it goes from 2 to 1. Now we're gonna press bottom button, it will go from 1 to 2. You can change hours like that. Once you change your hour, you wanna do seconds, then press right hand bottom button once again, then your second will start blinking. Now you are able to change your seconds with left hand up and down buttons from top and bottom. If you press one more time, then your second will start blinking and then you will be able to change second. Now we press one more time, then you go to year. You can change your years. You press one more time, then it will go to your month settings like month and date. I'm in March and the date is 9th. You can keep pressing if you want to change. Whatever you want to change, you can change from left hand top and bottom buttons. Now it's asking me the ring tone. I will go press again. Once you satisfy, you don't want to make any change, you done, then you press top right hand button mode button 1 and your settings will be saved to this watch. That's all. Now we have already set our time. That's the way you can set your time on Casio Tough Solar 5 alarm watch. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video with a new topic.